Hey, what's up, gang? Welcome back to our Sunday school. What we're doing here today, we're gonna do a paint correction on this trunk right here. If you're seeing right now what I'm doing, I'm using Final Touch and a 3D clay pad. What I'm doing, I'm prepping out the surface like that. I can start paint correction right here. What I'm gonna use first, I'm gonna use 510, and I'm gonna follow it with 3D1 and then SiO2 Ceramic Wax. Stay tuned. Okay, so now what I'm gonna use right now is ACA 510. ACA 510 is our premium rubbing compound. It's very aggressive. This right here will correct 1,000 grit sandpaper, but just because it'll correct 1,000 sandpaper, never start there. Well, if you're gonna sand, start at least 1,500 grit sandpaper, like that makes your life easier, or finish at a 1,500 grit sandpaper, make your life easier. So at first, I'm gonna add a lot, but what I'm gonna do this right here, I'm gonna massage it into the pad, like that. It lubricates it. Pretty much priming the pad, you can say.
So you always want to overlap your patches at least 30 to 50%. Like that you don't miss any imperfections.
So if you guys can notice right here already, this is my first pass and they're already cut through it. You see the way all these imperfections right here? That's the difference of using a straight compound. So now that we did the first step using 510, you guys can notice the difference before and after. These are the imperfections that the wool pad and the 510 leave behind because it's aggressive. Now I'm going to use 3D1 with the light purple polishing pad to make that pop. All right, so second step, 3D1. 3D1 is a hybrid compound. It has compound and polish. And this right here, I'm going to use that as my polish.
I already did all my paint correction using 510 and the wool pad. Now by using the light purple spider pad, I'm using it to polish and to take off any marring that the 510 left with the wool pad, to give you that mirror finish.
All right, so now that we did a few good passes, now we're gonna check it out. Reveal the 50-50. So there you have it, before and after. So now what we're gonna add protection, SiO2 Ceramic Wax. Now I'm gonna use 3D Glow Series SiO2 Ceramic Wax. This right here is gonna give you the protectant that you want. This right here will last at least about 3 months. Longevity, depending on the soap that you use and how you maintain it. All right, so now that we use, first step was always clay. Second was 510, using it with the wool pad and a dual action polisher. Then to follow it up, to take off the imperfections that the wool pad and the compound leave behind, the marring that leaves behind, I corrected it using 3D1. And then to protect it and give it a very good protection, I use SiO2 Ceramic Wax. Thank you guys for always joining us at Sunday School. Stay tuned for next one.